again, guys. I've taken over Tazer's channel. I am the Masked Avenger.
Hi guys! How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Explore. I've actually got my mask on because where we are right now is pretty dirty, pretty grimy. I should wear this a lot more than I actually do, so that's why I sound weird today. We are in this tinware warehouse stroke factory, but it looks pretty cool. There's loads of stuff around, there's offices, there's tools, there's a car out there as well, so this place looks to me much bigger out the back as well, but we haven't been out there yet, so fingers crossed there's some good stuff to find. Let's go and have a look. Oh really? Yeah. So you're gonna know much more about this than I do, because I have no idea.
If I'm looking at it, if I think I'm right, that box there that's just in the corner,
Right.
that's all your glass beads there. So this has been all your little glass beads and sand and fine grit and stuff like that. Oh, that's heavy.
Tipped half it on the
Mate,
floor.
that is heavy. But just look, you can see that they're all
So is
the
this
beads.
just stripping paint, isn't it?
Yeah, this is literally strip the paint off. Feel them. They're like literally, they're just fine grained beads.
Yeah. There you go. So we're going to be following Warren around because he's going to know way more about this than I do. I literally have no clue. I mean, the stuff looks cool, but when it comes to this kind of stuff, I literally have no clue what I'm looking at.
Like me in a kitchen.
Yeah, go around the kitchen, I'll be fine. I can tell you everything. Again, if you guys know anything about this, please do let us know in the comments down below. Always interested to find out. So what when you said, like, because this was a tin works, does that mean like coating cars, or does it anything?
No, this could have been anything for like it could have been anything from like what you see there, galvanised steel sheeting for like ventilation and stuff. It could have been car parts. It could have been any sort of thing here. And that is, by the looks of it, a polyester. That's the airspray polyester coating onto these things to make them a bit more durable.
Right, okay.
So when they're being left out in the elements, and this is all your air regulators. That's your gas and air regulator there. So that's just air only, and that would have been for your propane, butane mix or whatever it is.
It's funny how much stuff is actually left as well. This always amazes me when you come to, well, most sites to be honest, but sometimes you can see people are just taking, oh, gonna have to blur this, that's important. Well, as I was saying, most places will just like take the stuff like out and like that'll be it, but these sorts of warehouses and these sorts of like factories, they tend to leave a lot of the stuff. I don't know whether that's because like they're not allowed to, or that it's just not worth the value of taking it with you. It's just all left. Look at that. Pair of old sunglasses, that's really cool. So in there, you guys can probably see like a little car. Going to go and look at that properly in a minute, but I want to show you the rest of this place first, and then we're going to venture forward into the rest of the building and see what else is left. Oh wow, look at this. Just noticed over here there's like a horse's head. It's a bit random. How weird. This Starbucks thing is a Starbucks London, and I actually have a mug almost exactly the same as this. It's slightly different, but it is a Starbucks London mug. That's really cool. So do I want to look inside the fridge? What nasties you're going to find in there? Oh my god, there's an old wagon wheel. The date on it looks like it says 2007. Oh god, that stinks, so I'm closing that, that stinks. Oh wow, look, there's loads of lockers and stuff over there. I'm going to try and get over there. Didn't even see that because there was this curtain in the way. But behind the curtain, god, there's more. I need to blur this again, there's more porn. You can definitely tell this is like a men's working environment, can't you? And I guess these must have been like the workers' lockers. Again, more porn. You're gonna have to blur so much. Look at all the cobwebs as well. Gives you an idea of how long it's been here. Oh. God, it's just, the cobwebs are thick. Like I'm trying to open the I'm trying to open them up and it's just like pulling back, rather it's so thick with cobwebs. Right, this is the guy who just likes porn. He's got porn everywhere. This is his locker, inside and outside porn. There's magazines obviously falling out and stuff. But yeah, this is definitely the guy who likes porn. It's like all over his locker and everywhere else. So look then, do I dare look inside here? Holy fuck, flies just flew out as I did that. Ugh. Yeah, let's close that up again. Right guys, so this is the office, the main office, and brace yourselves, look at this. There is so much stuff.
Yeah, brace yourself, kids. You're going to need to use Google to find out what one of these is.
It's Warren's 3.5-inch floppy.
You had to do it, Nathan.
Yeah.
You had to do it.
We've already got Paul in the video, might as well.
Right, you couldn't keep it family friendly.
My videos are not family friendly, fuck that.
Mate, that is a toilet and all.
Oh my god, Jesus.
Oh, that's something you see straight out of them
That's
horror
worse
films,
than the other one. There's literally creepy crawlies like walking all over. Oh, there's a moth that's come out.
Oh,
Walking all over the toilet. That's the most manky
mate,
toilet
that
I've ever
is
seen.
disgusting and all. Look, the state of it.
Wait, look. That's someone's old like clothes as well.
Oh wow.
You got to go for them cobwebs. Good luck.
Yeah, I ain't going in there. Look, just to let you know, that's some people's clothes hanging in bin liners.
You can just about see the.
Yeah,
the
you can
top of
see
the
like
collar.
a collar or something like that. God, look, close that up, mate. I can smell piss.
So this is 2007 as well. So they must have closed in 2007. I mean, this place has been abandoned for like 11 years. That's mad. I say one of the most interesting things in here, though, which we saw when we first came in, is this. Buck's tool is a real whopper. It's if you open it up inside, there's like it's like a notebook. So you put like notes and things on it. Pretty cool. It's like I don't know why, I just really like that.
Look at the size of the handle. Like the handle is bigger than the head. I mean, Jesus, look.
That is tiny, I have to admit. Oh, no, you dropped it.
As we dropped it.
So they're literally the smallest hammerhead in the entire fucking world. It's like someone has used it so much that they're just like, no, it's my favourite hammer, I've got to keep using it. And they just worn it down eventually.
So cute. Let's hit her. Yeah.
Don't hit me.
Oh, you got a Heisenberg t-shirt and I've got to leave you alone.
Yeah, you better do, yeah. Heisenberg, bitch. So anyway, let's go check out this car. Which, all I can see at the moment is Warren's arse. Really? Hello? So guys, we're going to go in, even though Warren's just heard someone. He's not sure it's the pigeons or whether it's actually somebody. Look at this, so gorgeous. Just say hello.
Hello?
Hello? Oh, God, it's massive.
Hello? Anybody there?
Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I say you don't often find cars like this, especially in this condition as well. That's mad. I mean, there is a slight dent in the roof, but it's not that bad. Jeez. Holy shit. There you go, guys. The full extent of the building. That is massive. There we go, guys, we're in the main part of the factory and it's absolutely chocker in here, seriously. Look at this. That is crazy. Oh my fucking god, it's huge! Jeez, it goes even further, but honestly I need to show you this in front of me right now. This is one of my dad would love this. Look at that. How often do you see an abandoned forklift? That is crazy. And there is another office as well, which is the front of the building. It looks like the roof's caved in over there as well. But there's so much stuff. This is going to take us ages. This is another section. There's old machinery, there's loads of stuff.
If I walk through another cobweb, I'll end up in an Indiana Jones movie. Don't ask me what on earth that was. Look, they're all belt fed as well.
Is that not a cutter? Put a sheet of metal here, push it down, it cuts the hole in it.
Or sand it, or...
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't know, mate.
What's that? That's the inspection sheet. Damn, that's crazy. Where's this?
These are metal benders.
Oh, yeah, you put them in and it bends them for you. Yep.
Ties and stuff in there, and you'd be able to bend them up.
Okay, so the guys, Warren was just saying these are metal benders. I can really imagine that as well. I can imagine this kind of stuff going on.
Metal benders, you're just a bender.
Fuck you! I love this. This is really cool. Still got the keys in it. We could turn it on.
I don't know. Is there any power in the building?
I doubt it. Oh wow! I didn't even see these over there. They're all computer screens.
What you found then? What you found? I found some TV monitors.
I found some old monitors, mate. I think we can get a fiver from down booty. Jesus Christ! I think I found the pigeon's favourite chair. Bloody hell! Yeah, I know. It's fucking everywhere.
Any guesses onto what this could be?
I have no idea. No clue at all.
But these runners here look like they went round on a track, look.
Oh yeah.
So the runners above a head, they go around on the track. And they go right the way round.
Oh yeah. That's what you mean. They kind of go like up and round.
Yeah. And then they would have come all the way back around the outside. But just so you can see, they all the way around the outside. So I'm assuming this would have been some sort of furnace.
Maybe a dryer.
Yeah. And this would have been either the hang the drying panels, or this would have been the powder coating.
I reckon this would have been to coat in here, and this is the drying rack because it would have gone.
Yeah.
You would have hung it up here, and it would have gone up and through, and then out. That must be the dryer.
See how many cobwebs in this place, look.
Oh no, it's fucking loads.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, and we got some more nudie ladies.
Hey.
Some more nudie ladies. Hey! Go! Posting in. So I'm going to tell you what, there's lots of nudie ladies everywhere, isn't there? Oh wow, this one. I got you guys to the date on this. It says March 1994. Jesus. So how many years is that? That's 18... 24? 24 years old, Jesus Christ. This is nearly as old as I am. I bet she doesn't look that good anymore. Of course you guys can't see that because it's going to be blurred. I'll tell you what guys, I'm trying to film as much as I possibly can, but there's literally so much here. We could be here for like a week and we probably still wouldn't film everything. There's like rooms crammed with tiny details. I mean, the bit we came in with the car, we haven't even looked around yet, and there's a whole caravan there. And bits like filing cabinets stacked up to the ceiling. It's just tons, absolutely tons, but it's amazing, absolutely incredible. Love going to sites like this.
You need to come here and see this.
What?
Come and check this out.
Oh, there's another office. Oh, sick, that looks amazing.
Don't worry about your stupid office. Don't worry about your stupid office.
What?
Abandoned Bedford lorry.
Holy shit!
And that is old school lorry, that's not a new lorry, that is proper old school back in the day Bedford lorry. That is worth a fortune.
Oh my fucking god.
So we got a lorry, a caravan, and then look at the back of the lorry where that green shutter is. We haven't been in there yet.
Wait, is that another room?
There's another bit.
No way.
Seriously.
Oh shit, there is, as you can see above the door.
Yeah.
But look at this, there's so many filing
Actually,
cabinets.
have you seen the sign above this door?
No?
It suits you.
Oh, it's what? That's not, what? There's no lady toilet. You don't lie.
That's why there's a mirror, look. And look at the tiles on the thing. That actually used to be a toilet.
Oh shit, yeah, you're
Even
right.
the old soap dispensers on the wall.
What does that say up there? Notice.
Oh, there's actually a toilet. Oh god, cobwebs and spiders.
It says notice something by management. I can't read the rest. Oh my god, do we both walk straight past this?
Dead goat or
Dead cat.
Is it?
That looks like a dead cat to me.
Yeah, more than likely.
Fucking gross.
But look, the old school soap dispensers.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You
way
can see
the
where the
sinks
sinks would have been, yeah. So guys, look, this is the back of the Bedford lorry. What is Mungania? Mungania. It's got Mungania. Oh, look at, oh my god, look at the old Hoover. There's an old Hoover, like an actual Hoover, made by Hoover.
A couple of windows and a bit of wood in the middle of the room. Oh, there is a dead person in it though.
Alright, look.
I've just shown a dead body.
Alright, Logan Paul.
No, I'm being serious.
Fuck off.
Fine, don't leave me. I've got to film this dead body, mate, and get it up on eBay. On eBay.
I'll go on eBay. Yeah, you heard it here first, guys. If Warren finds a dead body, he's sticking it on eBay. So if you wanna get bidding, get yourself a dead body, then you can do your own Logan Paul video. It's fuck off. Is it a dead body? There's not a fucking dead body. Do you not believe you?
It's a See, no clickbait, no you.
You fucking idiot.
It's dead, it's a body, it's a dead body.
It was never fucking living, let alone
What?
dead.
You used to give it CPR. Hey look, let's see if we can wake him up. Nah, he's out for the count, he's proper gone.
So guys, we've come through into this one now. The air's actually a bit clear in here, so take the mask off and breathe for a bit because I'm getting so hot under this. But just through the door, take a look at our friend. What are we calling him? Dave.
Yeah, leave my mate Dead Dave down.
Dead Dave. So this is our mate Dead Dave. The fuck?
At least he died with a grin on his face, look.
Yeah, he does seem very happy that he's
died
dead.
happy.
He does seem very, very happy.
I don't know either that or he's writhing in pain.
That is creepy as all balls, you know that?
I thought you'd enjoy that. Look at his leg, look, the way it is.
Oh Jesus, look, that's like crooked.
Oh, I've got a broken leg, that's why he's dead.
Got a chicken leg.
Look.
But also, I did want to come in here because down the other end, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, in the ceiling, you remember earlier when I found that horse's head thing? Well, I don't think these originally were up here because there's a ladder being put here by somebody. I think someone has actually gone to all the trouble, because he's a polystyrene, of climbing up and placing, if I can get this to actually focus, there they are, these polystyrene horse heads in the rafters. There is actually some cool stuff in here. I wasn't going to come in here, but actually there's some cool stuff. It's got like a cherub, you painted on a door, which looks amazing. And then over here, which is really cool, I love all funfair stuff.
Opera?
Yeah, oh yeah, maybe opera, yeah, up the
Yeah,
top.
it's opera, because that'd be Latin, wouldn't it? Because they do Latin in the opera.
No. If any of you guys know what this is from, because I guarantee there's somebody out there who will know what this is from. If any of you guys know where this is from, please let me know. So guys, we've just been chilling for a bit and relaxing because there's so much to take in. And we walk around this place for about 2 hours now and we're still finding even more. And even just stood in this room, I looked over to the other side of the room and I saw this, which I'd missed as well. So take a look. There's actually a full-on crucifix here. And behind them you've got, again, pictures of Jesus, and looks like, I think that's a picture of Jesus. Yeah, looks like it. Lots of like holy pictures and stuff. I'm not sure what these are for, but yeah, it's crazy. This site's got so much stuff. It's like an eclectic mix as well. I mean, look at this as well. This is like an old school desk with like the inkwells and stuff. I'm guessing they open up as well. Yeah. Oh my god. There's still stuff inside as well. There's even some chairs here and stuff from, I'm guessing, a school or something. More paintings. I assume this is all paintings of some description or something, I don't know. Mad, absolutely mad. And again, look in the corner, guys, there's actually a headstone. Or like some kind of cross. I have no idea, but look, that's crazy. Why is all this stuff here? Okay, so we're saying goodbye to Dead Dave.
Bye, Dead Dave.
Bye, Dead Dave. We're back on this side, behind the Bedford lorry, to see what else we can find, because there's so much bloody stuff.
This was first plated on the 5th of the 1st, 1976.
Jesus Christ.
For its carriage of, like, because it's over 7.5 tonne. So this is like a 1976. That was the first time this has ever had, well, it was the last time this ever had a plate on it.
Come on, Warren, let's drive it home. I'll clear the way for you.
Do you know what? Give me half a day. Give me half a day on this. I guarantee I'd have this started.
Jesus, it's in good nick though, isn't it? For like such an old thing as well.
It is, mate. This is ridiculous. Oh, just look at that steering wheel. Look at that old Bedford. The dials. Do you know this has only done 20,399 miles in its whole entire life?
Really?
Not unless it's been around the clock. Mate, this is mint. Absolutely mint. I would never ever have thought that this was as old as what it is, because I've seen new lorries in absolutely terrible state compared to this.
Right, so I was going to go check out a room over there, but Warren's just pulled me back and said, Nathan, you need to check out this caravan, so I'm going to check it out.
Turn the old torch on. Oh mate, you see the smells of mint in the lot.
Okay. Bit skinny.
It's like going back in time.
There we go.
Mate,
Jesus Christ.
The whole very washing up liquid bottles. Mild green liquid.
Oh,
And then you've got your fresh air, long life aerosol pine.
Jesus.
And then look at these. The kettles. Look at even the butter carrier.
This is in good condition as well, funny enough.
In here as well. So they must
Yeah, there's maps to like London here as well.
Look at this.
Oh my shitting god.
Wait.
No, wait, look, road map 1977.
Look how old this is. Sellotape. In a tin.
Jesus. Look,
Oh wow.
it's all just left in there. Oh my fucking god. I need to stop swearing. Guys, this is crazy. Like I said, this site just keeps giving.
Yeah, you wouldn't think.
Is there anything else in the other ones?
No, there's nothing else in these ones. It's just
What's that in that bag? Is that like a newspaper?
Right?
Down there. Well, there is an old tent in it, isn't there?
Yeah, that's all the old tent pegs. Wrapped up in an old newspaper.
Oh my god.
Oh mate, check this out. The Scotsman, Thursday, August 5th, 1976.
1976, jeez.
Yeah, it's one of the old clickers. So it never had any gas in it. You literally used to click it and it used to ignite the gas. So it's got the electric shock. Now that is old.
Jeez.
Who is that made by? Ideal Home Everspark. Mate, Ideal Home are well old. Well, that is absolutely amazing. Just to see this. And then you've got the road map from 1977. That is absolutely crazy.
There. Industrial Ajax and Brillo for soap pads. Wow.
Oh mate, look. These are en route.
Yeah, like camping sites, aren't they? Where all the camping sites are?
Yeah, 1976 though.
Jeez.
Alright, just so you guys can see, I'll try and get this. See, 1976, so this is an en route member magazine of Caravan Club from July 1976. Mate, that's ridiculous. That's 10 years before I was born. There you go, just so you can see we're respectful, we put the glasses back in.
Okay guys, so that has been today's explore. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been an incredible explore. Just to let you know also, Ross from Ross Wallace Adventures has just turned up as well. Unfortunately he's not going to be in any of the footage because I'd pretty much filmed everything by the time that he's got here. But please go check out both Warren and his channel. They'll be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!